Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not showing on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Telegram and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will go to this sign here and you can uninstall your app if you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So